guys, my name is Reetimoni Hazarika and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this video is going to be a vlog where I'm going to share with you how we harvest our potatoes. So now I am going there, so let's. And as you can see, today is a sunny day, so I'm taking a cloth on my head so that I don't get sunburned. Now let's go and harvest our potatoes. Picking our potatoes. Ma, side of and he's my father, my data. Side of. And she is my auntie. So much hard work. See this toy? And I'm feeling thirsty now, so I have to drink some water. So bring your water bottle whenever you step out of your home. Auntie and cousin are cutting some rabab tenga. It's called pomelo, or I don't know what. They are eating rabab tenga. And now my turn. Eating some boiled potatoes and tea. We are back to our work, so let's get started. These are the potatoes we have harvested so far. We have been working very hard for about 2 hours, I think, and because I'm going to show you all the other vegetables we are growing this season. These are the beans plant, see? And so yeah, these are the beans. Also have some garlic growing out there, but they are not getting enough fertilizer, so we have to provide. Let's harvest some beans. And see, we also have haitian-fil-am, or Asiatic pennywort. The sun has also set, and now we are going to our home. It was a very tiring day, as you can see from my face. I enjoyed vlogging the whole harvesting time. I hope you also enjoyed the video. If so, then please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell. We'll see you in my next video.